In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make thousands of dollars a month using Jarvis.Ai and becoming a freelancer full-time. Hey, my name is Jonathan Blake, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started using Jarvis.Ai and how you can make money with freelancing. You're not going to need any specialized training or any degrees to do this. Just simple tools. With Jarvis.Ai, you don't need any experience at all. I'm going to show you exactly how to use Jarvis.Ai and start freelancing on your own and making real income.
Show me the money.
This is day number 4 of the Jarvis.Ai Intensified workshop. Let's jump into it.
Resources down below.
So first things first, we need to pick our niche, right? So what are you interested? What kind of hobbies do you do? Okay, now we need to pick our niche and the interests that we have. So the 3 main niches are health, wealth, and relationship, and you need to niche down from there. The riches are in the niches. There's more money and there's less competition. Okay, so some great examples of this would be, so we're going to do freelance writing for, let's say, YouTube script writer. We could do email marketing. You could do cold outreach for backlinks or guest posts, building relationships like that. Say you're in the health niche. It could be weight loss through keto or, coffee or whatever. I'm not very sure about the health niche at all, to be honest with you. Or it could be like progressive ways to help your relationship or whatever it is. So we need to find an interest that we know a little bit about or at least interested in that we can write about. So the second step is we need to start finding freelance jobs. Okay, and I think the quickest way to do this is you're going to go to Upwork, Fiverr, ProBlogger. I would suggest go to ProBlogger. They make more money. SEMrush has got some things going on as well. People per hour. Our whole ultimately goal is to start making money as a freelancer, and then we can dive this over into a content marketing or a content agency, really, and we're going to use people per hour, we're going to use onlinejobs.ph. So onlinejobs.ph are people from the Philippines that are virtual assistants, and they have a lot of different skills, and they're such great people to work with. But here's the caveat. There's a lot of great people to work with, and the prices are super negotiable. And for, let's say, a month, right? So customer support chat, $306 a month. So anyways, we can pick up these VAs for anywhere between $400 to $1,200 a month full time. I'm talking 40 hours a week, and legitimately $300 a month in this country is like making $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 in the United States, depending on where you're at. The cost of living is so inexpensive compared to the United States, and these people are happy to work for you. So these are people that have SEO experience, right? So $816 a month, $700, $200. So you can train these people on how to use Jarvis, and you can start pumping out content and have a content marketing agency. So that's the long play, right? So the short play is we're going to start signing up for ProBlogger, Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, and we're going to niche down, become an expert in our field. Say we're doing YouTube script writer, we can charge more, there's less competition. We could do email marketing for the dog niche, or we could do email marketing for chiropractors, YouTube, scripts for tree service guys. It really doesn't matter. We just need to niche down so we can charge more. We're less of a commodity, and there's a lot less competition, and we create an instant authority because that's what we're niched down. So we're going to start finding freelance jobs on Upwork, Fiverr, ProBlogger, Guru. Legitimately sign up for a bunch. This is going to get our feet wet in the freelance market space. We're going to jump over to Jarvis here, and if you don't have a free trial yet, I'm going to have a link down in the description below. You're going to get 10,000 free credits, and I've got a bunch of bonuses that's going to help you with your business or future business. What I love about Jarvis and the community so much is they're constantly improving. So they just came up with these recipes, right? So I've got a bunch of these, but so they give you pre-made recipes or templates, workflows that will help you with your content creation even quicker. So let's take a look at the blog post outlines. I've got Jarvis.AI's The Boss Mode, and we're just going to go right down the list of exactly what to do here. So let's say we're in the dog niche. So we're going to write a brief about German Shepherd and their dog and their eating habits. I'm not sure if Jarvis knows anything about German Shepherds. I don't know anything about dogs, to be honest with you, but we're going to plug it in. So we're going to put this in the content description here, and then we're going to generate a title. We're going to do Control Enter. And then Jarvis is going to write some blog titles for us. I like to do numbers, to be honest with you. I feel like my engagement or my click-through rate's higher. We'll work with it. So we're just going to keep going down the line. And Jarvis.Ai is doing all of this for us, okay? I'm not touching anything. I'm not giving any commands. Just going to let it go. So our goal here is to guide Jarvis. But to be honest with you, I don't know very much about dogs. Let's see this copy. Dogs have been the best friends of man for a long time. For many centuries, they have helped their masters in hunting and herding while living in close proximity with them. This has led to an intimate relationship between humans and dogs that is hard to match. Dogs are now more than pets. They're family members who enrich our lives. The most common breeds of dogs include German Shepherds, Golden Retrievers, Labradors. Looks good. Just to add some content. So I just did the problem, agitate, solve method on here. I'm not very sure. This is like a more informative post, but I'm not sure what it's going to come up with. So I don't really know if this is true or not. But it's looking good. So a great thing about Jarvis.Ai is you can actually integrate it with Surfer SEO. And Surfer SEO is an on-page SEO. Basically, it helps you create your content and optimize your listings for what Google's looking for, as well as the searcher's intent. We're going to do Control J. We're just going to expand on this header. Great. We're going to do Control J again, and just make sure you look out for duplicate content. Let's take that off. And then we're going to do the asterisk so it won't read the above. And I'm going to do Control J again. It's good enough. All right, so it's duplicating again. Cut that out. Okay, Control C. I'll change that. Let's see if that does anything. Great. All right, so basically we're just going to go down the line and hit Control J or expand. So it's duplicating again. So I need to update. I should have picked a better topic that I knew more about realistically. So I'm just basically copying, pasting this, and then I'm going to hit Control Enter for the command Jarvis. It's basically giving me a summary of what I wrote up above. Have Jarvis finish that thought. Another great idea to make more money freelancing is ghostwriting books. So there's usually anywhere between 250 and 300 words per Amazon page, and you can charge anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000 to ghostwrite a book. And you can use Jarvis.Ai to actually accommodate you with that. There's probably, 20 or 30 different people that are using Jarvis.Ai to actually write books, and there actually is a recipe that Darby gave out completely for free. He does the 7-day author challenge, and he shows you how to write a book in 7 days. He's wrote multiple books, and he's refined the method, but you can definitely charge anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000 to ghostwrite a book. And it's super possible. I'm actually in the middle of mine right now, Stupid Simple Business. That's just how to market your tree service and lawn care business, to how you can spend the most money to acquire a customer and get reoccurring revenue. So I'm actually 12,000 words into this. I need to keep going. And I'm actually using Darby's recipe to do this as well. But so look, in the matter of minutes, we've got over 900 words. We've got 2 more scripts and a conclusion as well. And I would like to add in frequently asked questions to tie all this together. We could knock out at least 2,000 words on this. I don't see why we couldn't. And then this is a matter of 20, 30 minutes, if that. I should have put headlines for these. Oh, I messed it up. So Jarvis.Ai is legitimately doing all of this for us. So the best thing about this is it learns the more you do, right? So obviously I don't do anything about the dog niche. It was just a very broad example, but the more that we use this tool, it's an artificial intelligence, the more it'll learn, and it scrapes the internet. It's read millions of blogs and knows exactly what to do, and it's just getting smarter and smarter every single day. So we're already at 1,000 words. But ultimately, so we're going to start getting freelance jobs on Upwork, Fiverr, ProBlogger. I don't know about you, but you can start doing cold outreach on your local businesses and offering them your services. So you should start creating your own blogs, okay? It's super simple to create a WordPress blog and start pushing out content. Yes, it takes time to rank. Don't expect traffic in the first 6 to 12 months, but it's just about a consistency thing. And legitimately, Jarvis.Ai has helped me 10x my content on my blog and my YouTube videos as well. it took away all of my excuses basically because of how easy and how accessible it is and how many different ways you can make money with it. So I definitely think you should start, cold outreaching, creating your own blog, as well as, posting your wins, posting your loses on social media, telling people what you're doing. So you're creating a business, you're being a freelancer, you're doing SEO, you're doing, niche blogging, right? Post on social media. Bonus tip, right? So we need to do the content marketing agency, right? A great place to do this and pick up people is onlinejobs.ph. To post jobs, it's $30 and then you cancel it, right? The best part about this is you can find people on demand that are actually willing to work and want to work. Yes, you're paying them $600 a month to work full time or $400 a month to work full time, but $400 to them is a lot of money in the Philippines. And these are good quality people that actually want to help you and your business. You want to start freelancing, and then your excess money that you can reinvest into these people. And even if you get 1 or 2 VAs and start teaching them about Jarvis, you can scale this almost infinity. All you have to do is find the right people and get in front of the right people. That's all it is. But there's so many different scripts and so many different ways to monetize this tool. I can't think of any other excuse not to make money with this tool. Legitimately. So here's a whole business there. Just Google my business, events, product description, offer post. That's a business right there. That's 6 figures. That's maybe 7 figures. Facebook ad copy. That's 6 or 7 figures right there. Then we've got the blog with the SEO. You can sell your services. You can write for your own blog. You can become an affiliate. Problem, agitate, solve, AIDA. Those are great copywriting formulas. But legitimately, eBay, Amazon, product descriptions, a lot of these people need your help. I think it's your obligation to help these people, because if you want to change the world, you need to make noise, right? People need to find you. You need to start posting on social media, posting on YouTube, and getting in front of people and trying to help as many people as you can. Because that's what I at least believe for business owners. And I think this tool will help you create more content and make more noise in your market. Hey, I just want to end this video. If you need a free trial of Jarvis.ai, there's 10,000 credits down below, as well as over $4,000 in bonuses. And I've got a crazy secret bonus that's helped me make an extra 6 figures and give my family a crazy experience. And I want to give this to the first 50 people that go through my link. Resources down below. See you in day 5.